Hello dear students, this is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok. Welcome back to English class. Students, now please observe these two pictures. Which picture you like the most? Of course, first one. Why? Because it contains so many trees. What do trees give us? Trees give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil, and give life to the world's wildlife. They also provide us with the materials for tools and give us shelter. Trees are the best creation of God for human beings. Life without trees is impossible on earth. Trees are the precious treasure and its value cannot be described in words. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to understand the poem Trees, written by Shirley Bavar. Let's know about the poetess Shirley Bavar. Her full name is Shirley Ann Bavar. She was born on October 17, 1944 in McCluskey. She graduated from McCluskey High School in 1962. She died on May 17, 2011. Now please open your textbook, students. I am going to read the poem Trees. Please follow as I read. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mother say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make father say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." Moving on to the explanation. First line, trees are for birds. Can you tell me, students, how do birds need trees? Yes, birds build their nest on the branches of a tree and they lay their eggs in it. They also take shelter on the branches of a tree. Trees provide shelter from rain and sun, not only for birds, even for animals. Second line, trees are for children. Can you tell me how do children need trees? Yes, in trees, children enjoy swings, climbing trees, playing fightry games. They also use trees to hide them in hide and seek game. Third line, trees are to make tree houses in. Do you know what is a tree house? Tree house is a structure built in the branches of a tree. You can see the picture of a tree house on the screen. Students, do you love to build tree house? Next line, trees are to swing swings on. Children love to tie swings on the branches of a tree and play under it. Next line, trees are for the wind to blow through, which means the leaves of the tree blow when wind blows. Next line, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Children like to play hide and seek by hiding themselves behind the trees. You all know what is hide and seek. It's a popular children's game in which one or more players hide and the other has to look for them. Next line, trees are to have tea parties under. As trees give us shadow, people love to have tea parties under its shade. Next line. Trees are for the kites to get caught in. Students, do you know flying kites? Yes. Sometimes what happens? Trees also make kite to caught in their branches. Have you ever experienced this? Yes, many times. Next line. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. During summer season, people love to take shelter under the trees. The poetess mentioned how trees are useful in summer season as they provide cool shade to the people. Next line. Trees are to make no shade in winter, which means people do not lie under its shade in winter season, as it is already very cold and therefore people look for warm places. Next line. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears, which means trees give us delicious fruits such as apples and pears. Not only these two fruits, trees give us so many delicious fruits. But in this poem, the poetess mentioned only two fruits name, that is apples and pears. Pears. You can pronounce this fruit name either as pears or pears. Next line. Trees are to chop down and call timber, which means old trees are chopped for timber. Do you know what is timber? When tree is cut, its wood is called timber. You can see the picture of timber on the screen. Next line. Trees make mother say, "What a lovely picture to paint," which means mother feels so happy to see beautiful trees and she says, "It's a lovely picture to paint." Last two lines. Trees make father say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall," which means father complained about the trees that there are lot of dead leaves to gather in autumn season. Rake is a tool to gather dead leaves. You can see the picture of a rake on the screen. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the poem Trees written by Shidli Bavar. Here, the entire poem is in the praise of trees. Trees are always our best friends. It is our duty to protect them. Dear students, now I am going to end up this session. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.